Halo semuanya, izinkan saya untuk menjelaskan perihal 5 minute thesis presentation yang bersifat mandatori bagi seluruh mahasiswa dari School of Information System yang sedang menjalankan tesis dan akan mengumpulkan soft cover. Dimulai dari latar belakang 5 minute thesis presentation di School of Information System, di mana kita mengikuti pola kegiatan sejenis seperti kegiatan startup, di mana setiap orang hanya diberikan waktu beberapa menit untuk menjelaskan ide bisnis yang mereka miliki. Semakin penting bagi semua orang untuk memastikan mereka mampu mengkomunikasikan ide mereka kepada mereka di luar komunitasnya kita. Ini akan membantu membangun jembatan dua arah dari kalangan akademik dan pihak luar dan menunjukkan kontribusi kita ke masyarakat. Dan bagi kalangan luar adalah mengetahui berbagai hal bagus yang dilakukan di dalam universitas. Pentingnya 5 minute thesis presentation dapat mengembangkan kemampuan untuk menjelaskan dengan singkat sebuah penelitian yang kompleks yang memerlukan keterampilan seperti pengorganisasian yang baik, komunikasi, dan kemampuan memfokuskan diri pada elemen penting dalam penelitian. The benefit. The benefit of 5 minute thesis presentation will help you to develop your communication skill and vital to raise awareness of your works. You will be able to develop ways of explaining complex idea in a way that is accessible and engaging for non-specialist audience, raise the profile of your works, and enhance your CV. Student give a presentation on research completed as an undergraduate student. Preparing your presentation, even the world best public speaker, prepare before important presentation. To assist you with your preparation, please find a few suggestions below that will help you in writing your presentation, creating your slide, and while practicing your verbal presentation. Berikut ini adalah beberapa contoh yang teman-teman bisa lihat dan bisa dijadikan acuan dalam menyusun 5 minute thesis presentation. Contoh-contoh ini teman-teman bisa lihat di dalam YouTube-nya School of Information System di bagian 5 minute thesis presentation. Kita lanjutkan. Preparing your presentation, writing your presentation. First, write for your audience. Avoid jargon and academic language. Explain concept and people important to your research. You may know all about Professor Porter's theories, but your audience may not. Imagine that you are explaining your research to a close friend or fellow student from another field. And do not dumb down your value your research. What you are doing is exciting and you should convey enthusiasm for your subject. You can write and present in Bahasa Indonesia or English. Second, have a clear outcome in mind. Know what you want your audience to take away from your presentation. Ideally, you would like the audience to leave with an understanding of what you are doing and why you are doing it. The third, tell a story. You may like to present your presentation like a story, with a beginning, middle, and end. It's not easy to condense your research into 5 minutes. So you may find it easier to break your presentation down into smaller sections. Try to writing an opener to catch their attention, then highlight your different point, and finally have a summary to restate the importance of your works. Next, still preparing your presentation, writing your presentation, what not to do is do not write your presentation like an academic paper. Try to use shorter word, shorter sentence, and shorter paragraph. You can use humor, however, be careful not to dumb down your presentation. Next is revise. You may like to prove your presentation by reading it aloud. Firstly, firstly to yourself and then to an audience of friends and family. This allow you to not only check your grammar and writing style, but it will allow you to receive critical feedback. Don't be afraid to ask your audience if your presentation clearly highlight what your research it is and why it is important. Next is creating your slide. A single static PowerPoint slide is permitted. Your slide is to be presented from the beginning of your oration and not slide, no slide transition, animation, or movement of any description are permitted. No additional electronic media are permitted. Practicing your presentation. You have to practice, practice, and practice. Next is your vocal range. Speak clearly and use variety in your voice. Fast or slow, loud or soft. Do not rush, find your rhythm. Remember to pause at key point as it gives the audience time to think about what you are saying. The third is body language. Stand straight and confidentially. Hold your heads up and make eye contact. Never turn your back to the audience. Practice how will you use hand and move around the stage. Do not make the common mistake of rolling back and forth on your heels, pacing for no reason, or playing with your hair, as these habits are distracting for the audience. 4. Record yourself. Record and listen to your presentation to hear what you pause, speak too quickly, or get it just right. 5. Look to the stars. Watch your role models such as academics, politicians, and journalists, and break down their strengths and weaknesses. Analyze how they engage with their student. 6. Dress. Please use the Binus alma mater jacket or white shirt. Guideline for video. Use the tools available, Zoom or Kaltura, or PowerPoint recording with video. If presenting research that includes sensitive or proprietary information, students should seek approval from the advisor or principal investigator before applying to the participate in the competition. The video will be public. Video must meet the following criteria. Film on the horizontal or landscape, films on the plain background or virtual background for the presenter together with the slide, film from the static position, film from the one camera angle, contain a title slide, contain a PowerPoint slide, top right corner, right side, or cut to. Be recorded using either Kaltura or Zoom or PowerPoint recording with video. Video submission must be made via this link. You must record your video using either Zoom or Kaltura or PowerPoint recording with video and generate a link to the recording that you will use for your submission. Ketentuan cover PowerPoint, slide 1 pada video. Terdapat judul skripsi, terdapat logo School of IS yang bisa di-download di websitenya sis@binus.edu. Ya, seluruh nama mahasiswa, supervised by, dibimbing oleh, dan cantumkan nama pembimbingnya. Presentasi dalam video dapat dilakukan perwakilan anggota tim atau semua anggota tim. Bagi skripsi yang memiliki objek perusahaan atau organisasi, mohon agar dapat meminta persetujuan dari pihak perusahaan terkait konten video dan izin publikasi video tersebut. Please check your virtual background, ya, supaya tidak seperti yang ada di tampilan pada layar kalian. yang membuat video 5 minute thesis presentation kalian jadi kurang baik. Timeline-nya akan dimulai dari sosialisasi, kemudian kalian akan diberikan waktu untuk melakukan submission dan mengisi form, dan akan diakhiri dengan announcement. Untuk periode ganjil, periode ganjil ini akan diumumkan di end of May, sedangkan periode genap akan diumumkan di end of October. Submission procedure, yang pertama, download a form and fill up your own abstract. Note with your signature and your advisor approval by email. Yang kedua, review the video submission guideline for detailed instruction and how to record your video. Number 3, upload your video presentation and abstract via online, seperti Google Drive or Dropbox. Number 4, fill up your personal information in registration form via online and then attach both URL link to the end of the form. Ya, sesuai dengan dan link registrationnya seperti yang muncul di tampilannya rekan-rekan semua. Untuk mendownload abstract template, teman-teman bisa masuk ke websitenya SIS, kemudian masuk ke menu download, dan akan ada 5 minute thesis abstract template. Sebagai informasi, 5 minute thesis presentation ini akan dilombakan, dan bagi pemenang ada 2. Gold champion akan mendapatkan uang 2 juta rupiah, dan silver champion akan mendapatkan uang 1 juta rupiah. Yang perlu di-note adalah champion 5 minute thesis presentation ini tidak merefleksikan grade secara langsung di saat sidang skripsi. Presentation judging criteria. Judges are educated professional in variety of position in internal. Judges will use a 1 until 10 scale. 1 is worst, 10 is best, for 2 categories that are added together to produce a presenter score. Judges' score for each presenter are average, and those with the highest average in the heat move on the final. Also in the final, the audience will vote to determine the People's Choice Award. This person may also win the first or second place award. The 2 categories of presentation evaluation and the criteria are based on the comprehension and content. Did the presentation provide an understanding of the background and significance to the research question being addressed while explaining terminology and avoiding jargon? Did the presentation clearly describe the impact or result of the research, including conclusion and outcomes? Did the presentation follow a clear and logical sequence? Was the thesis topic research significant, result or impact, and outcome communicated in language appropriate to a non-specialist audience? Did the presenter spend adequate time on each element of the presentation, or did they elaborate for too long? Or one aspect, or was the presentation rushed? Engagement and communication. Did the oration make the audience want to know more? Was the presenter careful not to trivialize or generalize their research? Did the presenter convey enthusiasm for the research? Did the presenter capture and maintain their audience attention? Did the speaker have sufficient stage presence, eye contact, and vocal range? Maintain a steady pace and have a confident stance? Did the PowerPoint slide enhance the presentation? Was it clear, legible, and concise? Berikut adalah poin yang perlu didiskusikan dengan dosen pembimbingnya. Mohon berdiskusi dengan dosen pembimbing terkait apakah akan dilakukan proses pengajuan haki dari video ini. Beberapa hal yang perlu dipersiapkan jika dosen tersebut akan melakukan pengajuan haki, maka perlu ada tanda tangan basah di form yang akan dikirimkan ke dosen, serta fotokopi KTP mahasiswa yang akan dikirimkan ke dosen. Berikut adalah tambahan tesis 5 minute tesis, presentation kalian akan kita masukkan di Binus Galeri. Dan teman-teman diminta untuk mengisi beberapa informasi dan kurang lebihnya akan seperti ini. Demikian penjelasan terkait dengan 5 minute thesis presentation dan terima kasih.